I'm David, and I'd like to talk to you about Impact X lenses, the maximum in technological evolution in the optical field. Impact X lenses make the most of NXT and have features that are truly unique when compared to all the other lenses available on the market. Impact X lenses have a lifetime guarantee against breakage or cracks. Made from unbreakable material and with semi-rigid molecular properties, they represent the best solution for safety in athletics in case of collision or falls. Impact X lenses offer top-quality optical features. They're made by casting with photochromic particles using highly advanced polarized technology. Thanks to a reduced refraction index and minimal chromatic dispersion, images are clearer and better defined in any atmospheric condition. Impact X lenses are noticeably lighter when compared to traditional lenses, guaranteeing maximum comfort during sports activity. Rudy Project offers 6 types of Impact X lenses, each studied to adapt to any light condition and to the specific demands of athletes from distinctly different sports. 2 photopolar lenses, true gray and brown, ideal for drive wear and nautical sports. They completely eliminate glare while, unlike traditional polarized lenses, allowing easy reading of digital instruments. 4 photochromatic lenses, red, gray, golf, and clear, the last one guaranteeing the highest range of light transmission, from 18 to 78%. Impact X represents the ultimate in global research for sports lenses. With Rudy Project, the athlete is once again at the forefront.